Hiya, today is post-op day. Today there's nothing going on. I put my hair in a ponytail holder and I think I put it a little too tight. So I got this little nubby stub back here and it's working. It feels so good to have my hair just loosely plaited right now. I am waiting for this side to catch up. This side looks great. It needs a little bit more, but this needs a little bit more. I feel like I'm starting to learn where I'm going to be placing my baby hairs. Like I'm not going to go so deep in like I used to. I'm used to doing baby hair for bald edges. But this is post-op day 146. Today is post-op day 147 and this is my hair. Today is post-op day 148 and this is my hair. Today is post-op day 149. I did not make it to Sunday of washing my hair, but I did wash my hair, deep conditioning, did the whole thing. My hairline kind of got a little caked up and my baby hairs are kind of just doing its own little thing because now it's starting to showcase, hey, some things are needing to be pushed to the front, but I really like it. The reason why I washed my hair to begin with was because I had so much gunk in my hair and it was like caked up and it looked like I put so much gel or whatever on my hair. And at the time I was trying to perfect my hair with gel. At the time it was only supposed to be a temporary moment, but I ended up using a lot of products, so I had to wash my hair and get back to a healthy clean slate. And I can tell already by the way this hair is slicked back, this side of my hair is getting a little bit longer and thicker. I could just tell by the coverage of this is coming in. This side here, I don't have any worries. We just growing over here. But this side here was my main concern and I'm happy about it. As I mentioned to you guys, these little hairs here in the front are kind of like where I'm doing my baby hairs and stuff like that. I'm just styling the perimeters of my hairline. This is post-op day 149. Today is 150. I looked like this all day for the most part. Nothing's happening. And this is the result. So I don't know if you want to call it this, but it's my 5th month. If you want to say it today or tomorrow, whatever, I'm here. And I just wanted to share that with you guys on where I am in my hair growth journey. Of course, you guys had to hear something from me celebrating the milestone of 5 months with this hair transplant, and I'm very happy to meet you guys here. This is post-op day 151. So my hair is starting to fill in and this is like no product or anything like that. It's just slightly, not even really like brushed back to like be slicked back or anything like that. But today is post-op day 152 and it's looking really good. I feel like the more I don't mess with it, the more growth results I see. These are the results.